In this video, I'll show you how to change the report layout in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar. And on the left-hand side, you want to go to the fourth option, which is reporting. Now, under reporting, on the favorite report section, you have two options: either edit the layout of the balance sheet or the profit and loss. Now, let's say we want to change the layout of the balance sheet. So just simply click on balance sheet under favorite reports. Now, on the balance sheet section, you want to head over to the bottom and the left corner, and in here you will find an option to edit the layout. Now, if you click on edit layout, that will take you to the layout section. And from here, if you click on one column or one row on the right hand side, you will automatically see its details. Now, from here, what you can also do is at the very top, you can add a text block. So that will be under the selected block. So on this block, this is selected. When I add a text block, it will automatically add the block at the bottom. In here, we can enter a title as well as enter a text. Now, let's say we enter a text. On the right hand side of the text in here, you can set the format to bold, italize, underline, even add rows. So in here, you can add columns as well as how much rows it would be. And once you do that, a table will automatically be added. What you can also do is add a number sequence. So if we have here an item, if we highlight the item, at the bottom, we can set a number sequence. So this will be number one. If we add another item, it will be number two. You can also add it instead into an unordered list. Now it will automatically look like this. Now, if you want to highlight a text, you just want to simply highlight the text, and at the bottom, you will have an option to highlight the text. At the top, you also have an option to add a schedule. Now, again, if you have a row that now, again, if you have a block that was selected and if you add a schedule, it will automatically be added at the bottom. Now, let's say you accidentally duplicated or added another schedule. At the top and the right hand side, you will have an option to delete that block. What you can also do is change the order of the block. So if you click on the block, in here at the top, you will have an option to move up or move down. You also have an option to add rows. In here, this could be a group, a formula, an accounts, and on the account section in here you can search for an account. So let's say we want to search for a sales account. It will automatically pop up, and on the left hand side just simply click on the checkbox to select that account. You can also choose to select all accounts, and at the bottom and the right hand side you can even update them, and it will automatically be added within the block. You can also add columns. Now this could be a date, a formula, a notes, a percentage, a variance, as well as tracking if you do have tracking options within your Xero account. And once you're done with your layout, just simply head over to the top and the right hand side and click on update layout. Now, what you can also do is do it within a profit and loss. So simply head over to the reporting section. At the bottom, click on profit and loss, and it will be the same thing. Head over to the bottom and the left corner, click on edit layout. It will also have the same options. You can add a text block, a schedule. You can add rows, columns, as well as page breaks. And once you're done again, head over to the top and the right corner and click on update layout. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.